Yeah, I mean, I think it would just be a matter of that. I mean, we can definitely work that out. They've done. There is a sign that you can, but in the past the library set up some generic ones for us, like let's say for tutors to be able to access, things like that. So it's certainly not unheard of that we could, create something if that was a good idea. I'm just trying to think right now if they have any stuff on here as right. Yes, that. Oh, I can see that. I can see that. Right. Sure. Yeah. Well, next time you speak with Laura, just get her kind of approval on it, and then tell her that, she doesn't have to do anything. I'll work, just get back to me, and then I can work with Carol over in the library. Because like I said, we have an existing one that's generic for, Chafee tutors, and maybe he can just do that, or maybe she'll create something else. But, just see if Laura's cool with that, and then just let her know that we can take it from there. Yeah, because it's really not a problem. I just want to make sure that she's cool with it. Yeah, absolutely. We've done that generically for various kind of apprentices. So like I said, it may just be a matter of passing along that password to him so he can handle it. Yeah, no, for sure. And I would, kind of include the example of, having some challenges with Charles' class, because there's more readings and that you guys access. She'll understand what that is. Awesome. Yeah, no, keep me posted. But like I said, once she greenlights it,